Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along. All right, let's get into it.
So I'm cleaning up my throttle body. I'm going to use some CRC. It's just really dirty, and should just be able to spray it down here. Clean this off. Should help with MPGs and a little bit of horsepower too. So let's get her cleaned up. You want to make sure this is disconnected from the vehicle when you do this. Strong. Looks a lot better than it did. Still a little bit in the corners, but what can you do? I don't think you really want to rotate these. So it could damage the internal parts there, but just a little bit on that top edge. Just a little lift. Let this sit.
Thank you for watching this how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm posting weekly videos on my 2015 F150 and my 1979 Ford Bronco, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow along. As always, I've included links to all the products and tools I use today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.